Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Tundra key fob battery. First, you'll want to identify the correct battery type for your specific fob. Common ones include the CR2016, CR2032, or CR2045 coin cells. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, and of course, your new battery. This entire process is quite straightforward and usually takes less than 5 minutes. Now, let's get into opening your key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation on the side or bottom of the casing. If your fob has an emergency key, press the release button and slide it out first. Then, carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver or the emergency key into that slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should easily separate, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry out the old coin cell battery from its holder. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, take your new battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Press it down firmly so it's securely seated. You're almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob and gently press them back together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming it's securely closed. If you removed an emergency key, slide it back into its slot. Finally, take a moment to test your key fob's functionality. Try locking and unlocking your Toyota Tundra to ensure everything is working perfectly with your new battery. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.